Hey, so this is me doing marketing version 1. So this is the app. Of course, this is the version you get when you're not logged in yet. And we are branding it stop shipping vulnerability and start shipping value, because one of the main features is risk scanner. I'm about to show it, by the way, where our app detects the 10 most common vulnerabilities or risks associated with the new builder or new vibe coder code. They just need to connect their GitHub repository. But also the other main functionality is the priority matrix, or let AI help you prioritize new features or new bugs that you need to fix based on UI UX and the security risk that imposes to your application. So right now we have like a free tier plan where you can test it out. Of course, that's limited, and the paid plan comes with a 14-day free trial, so you should be good. Now to the app. Once you log in, you're probably gonna see the tutorial, and this is something that I want to improve on. So what I'm going to do is add this feature that I just said it, improve on the onboarding or the tutorial. I'm gonna add it to the web app as something that I need to improve on my web application, the very own that I'm building and using. So as I said, we have two main functionalities here. One is the risk scanner, and what it does is you select your repository on GitHub. We're going to perform this risk scanner that is going to scan your code and find or try to find the 10 most common vulnerabilities new builders will incur on. This should take just a while. Now, if I want to add an item for prioritization, so let's say I want to add improve onboarding tutorial for new users. By the way, since this account that I'm using here is not a new user, the onboarding didn't open up. I had to click. For new user, of course, it is gonna open up. And when I do that, you see that I have the GitHub connected here because I ran the risk scanner. If I didn't have, I could now add another GitHub repository, or when you don't have a connection, you can describe your own app. So if you delete it here, disconnect. You see, you can connect a GitHub repository or describe your app. This will be used by AI as context knowledge base when you describe the bug or the feature you want to add. I'm just going to connect my GitHub repository again. Okay, got it. And now when we use AI to score from 1 to 10, both in the UI and UX perspective, also in the security perspective, you should populate this chart as well as the table. Success, item created, and you see it's scored as a very low impact for risk security and decent high impact on UI and UX. In order for me to mark that as complete, I would just come here. I may actually use this example here because this is that I just did. I mark as complete. I gain some points, and I can see that on my Hall of Fame. See your subscription here, settings. Yeah, anybody looking to use it, to test it, open to any and all feedback. Cheers.